Hi guys, back to the channel at Supreme Media. Just a couple of updates on, well, a update on the FK8. I have brought a MAXTON spoiler extension, which I'm going to do a quick video on getting it all fitted. Just want to take too long, I don't think, for getting it fitted. Also, a quick look into the garage. That is a B18 minivan. I am getting there with it. I did loads at Christmas time and I've sort of stopped a little bit. Obviously baby, I've been doing my back garden and whatever. So just a quick one, we're going to set the GoPro up and get the spoiler extension fitted. So yeah guys, the spoiler extension is now fitted. It didn't take too long, to be honest with you, just a bit fiddly and getting it all clamped down. Yeah, really pleased with it. I brought it from, I actually brought it second hand off the FK8 forum on Facebook. Come all the way from Aberdeen. Just the guy selling out his own FK8 black one, and yeah, really supplements the spoiler, especially the carbon. Got the red weaved carbon, which I've got the full carbon pack on the car, diffuser, wing mirrors. Now I have talked about getting the MAXTON canards. I don't know whether to do the MAXTON ones or whether to go Varis engineering, because they're full carbon, the Varis engineering ones are. So yeah, I'll keep you up to date on what I do get, because I do fancy the canards on the front, to be honest with you. As again, like, subscribe and share the video please guys, and keep up to date with what I've got coming. I'm meeting up with a chap a little bit later on today about he's got a Mugen FN2, a white one. Try to get that on the channel. I've got an Odyssey to do. Now anybody who knows Hondas in the UK, Odysseys, they don't pop up very often in this country. We've got a chap local to Stoke who's got one. He's also got a red FN2, pretty cool build. So yeah, just like I say, like, subscribe and share the post please. Victoria, bye bye.